This is a test of the emergency alert system. This system is activated for Amber Alerts for when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life and property. If this were an actual emergency, you would have been directed to www.waralert.gov for more information. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.